Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John. My World Upon Wheels, retired world bike tour. Let's turn this around, and there we go. Sunrise. I am not going eastbound at the moment, but and it's a good reason. It's absolutely blinding. Let's see what we have here. Absolutely blinding. I will not be going east here. What I will do is I will be turning off my lights now. Let's see. Start my skid lights on my skid lid. I'm going to turn that off. Wait, did I do it right? That's what I do. Okay. Comes this way. This way. That one's that way. And my skid lights. Okay. That I am close to the new school they're building here for to replace this Indian. Okay, I'll get off this. And and of course we've got the moon there, full moon. That's I wasn't sure what that sound was coming from. It was the first time I'd heard that sound. I said, my bicycle's not going to be making that kind of sound. Or it shouldn't. There we go. Again. Okay. Come from the construction now. Got the tail light off. And I need to. Okay. Wait, let's read mine. Pony Soldier and Running Deer. Okay. I had to get this anchored a little bit here. Yeah. What I'm going to do is now I'm turning off these tail lights now. Off. Okay. 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 You will hear me? Okay, there we go. That's where they're working on building those classrooms. Okay, good. Okay. Buenos dias. Good morning, Alejandra. Okay, I am going to give this sun a little bit more of a chance to get up. Then I'm going to continue my cycle. Let's see, where am I? Yes, El Paso, Texas. Oh, anyway. Turn this around. And I want to say muchas gracias. Thank you for joining me this morning. And this is one of the most two deadliest times to be cycling. If you're going eastbound at sunrise, and the other time is westbound at sunset. So find a place to park and just wait it out a little bit if you're headed in either of those directions, those particular times. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John. My World Upon Wheels, retired world bike tour. Que tengan buen día.